my sister's fidgets, because why not? Okay, so first we have this. I don't even know what fidgets are, so like, she says it's fidgets, but like, I don't know what fidgets are. But like, I give this 10 out of 10 because it's actually like super fun. Okay. Plates. I don't even know what about this, but like, it's actually kind of fun, so I'll give it like 8 out of 10. So I'll give it 8 out of 10. These, I'll give these like 4 out of 10. This, I'll give it like 2 out of 10. This, I'll give 0 out of 10. These, I don't even know how to, I'll just give this 0 out of 10 because it doesn't feel good. Yeah. This, I'll give this probably 2 out of 10. And, this, this is supposed to be 4, so like, I'll give it like probably 2 out of 10. This, I'll give it like 3 out of 10, like 5 out of 10. This, I'll probably give 2 out of 10, just because it's not that fun. This, she says you're supposed to put it on your wrist, and I'm gonna do that. And you just squish it. I'm gonna give it like 3 out of 10. I mean, not 3, 5 out of 10. I can't get off my wrist. Hold on. Okay, I got off my wrist. Now this is for one of my toys, but like, I give it 5 out of 10. This is lipstick, I think. Yeah, it's lipstick. And she says the fidget is like supposed to be right here and twisted. Like, I'll give it like 5 out of 10 because like, actually it's really interesting and fun, and I could use these when I get stressed. This whipped squishy, I'll give it 10 out of 10. This sock, I'll give it like 2 out of 10. This, oh my god, this, I'll give like 9 out of 10. This, I don't know the point of this, but like, I'll give it like 2 out of 10, and it's deodorant. She says the fidgets inside of here, so I'm gonna go get the fidget. So basically, these are baby toys. I don't even know how fidgets are baby toys, but like, yeah, I kind of like these, so like, I'll give it like 10 out of 10, because it's actually very interesting. Okay, so let's head over there. We have this, I don't know what it is, but like, I'll give it 10 out of 10, because it's actually like kind of interesting, and it doesn't work, but like, I'll give it 10 out of 10. We have this loofah, I'll give it like 2 out of 10. Second, we have this. I'm gonna open it, so yeah. So basically, I tried to open it, but my sister got mad at me. So basically, this is a fidget. And I'll give it like 10 out of 10 because it's actually like kind of fun. And now we have this like slight halter. So like I'll give it 8 out of 10. Then we have this like saddle, and I'll give it like 2 out of 10 because it's not that interesting. Second, we have this LED light. You know that doesn't even work. So you have LED lights, but like they ain't even working. So yeah. I'll give this 10 out of 10. Then second, we have this perfume, and I'll give it 9 out of 10. Yeah, let me just find this. Yeah, it ain't working. So I'll give it like 2 out of 10. Second, we have this straw, and I guess I'm gonna go open it. I don't know what to do with it, so I'm just gonna go open it. So basically, I tried to open it, but like it wouldn't let me. So like yeah. Navy, say hi. Hi. So yeah, that's my sister. That's my sister. Her name's Navy. But like she has like the same voice as me, so it sounds like my voice. But like I tried to open it, but my sister got mad at me. So I'm just opening it in secret. Don't tell her. She went to go get a drink, so like don't tell her. Ooh, that's satisfying. So basically, I don't really know what to do with this. Just like twist it maybe. So yeah, I'll give this like 2 out of 10. Okay, bye. Hope you have a good day. Bye. And hope you have and please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this fidget. This was probably my favorite fidget, so I'll probably take it away from her. So yeah, this is probably my favorite video from now on, except the one that got like 1,000 views. I'm gonna go check on that video right after this video because I want to see how much views it got. So yeah, bye!